pen saucer, beautiful color, and it is having size also too good. And I bought two of them. It was too good. In this also two colors are there. This is made up of ceramic. This is another product I bought, and this is beautiful metal basket which is having bamboo holder, and it is useful for us in multiple ways. We can use this as a vegetable basket or for storing our kitchen towels, or else we can use this in office, or else we can use this as a showpiece also. The product is this shifter which is useful to sieve the flour, whatever the flour it may be. It is very useful and very handy, very cute too. This is one more product. This is silicone pot holder. You can use whenever we are cooking, and we can also use this when we are baking with oven. This is very useful. This is another type of spoon set I bought in IKEA, and the spoons having is 4 big size, small, and 4 forks, and it was very sturdy, very strong. Very volume also big. Another product is this 4 shakers, set of 4, and this is made up of glass, and this is having 2 types of shaking lid. One is like this, like sprinkles, and this is another type of shaking, and this is set of 4, and this is also made up of glass. Product is this glass casserole which we can use in oven to prepare so many lasagnas and all that stuff. It was very sturdy and very weight also. Very good quality glass. Product is this plate stand. It is very beautiful, very small and very sturdy, and it is made up of metal. It was very sturdy. We can organize plates and all that. I bought this organizer or tote box. In this also a lot of colors are there. This is a big size tote having a lot of storage. We can store a lot of things in this. And this is also a multi-purpose thing, and it is very sturdy. In this also there are a lot of colors. It is this mat, dry mat. I bought previously also one, and now I bought another one. This is very useful in kitchen for sink, near sink to drain our utensils. Products I got, that is metal some hooks, hairstyle hooks, some metal hooks are there, some steel hooks are there, plastic hooks are there. I bought all type of hooks. It is useful for us in so many ways, to hang our planters. In kitchen it is useful for hanging ladders and all that, and closets as well. In so many ways it is useful. More is this slip mat. It is useful for us in our cabinets, dressing cabinets, closets, kitchen cabinets. This is useful for us in so many ways. The product is this tote or basket, and it is having lid. In this we can organize whatever you want you can organize this, like for clothes, pantry and extra pantry, and crafts item, office wear, toys, etc. And it was very sturdy and it is very useful.